Hello friends, so welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show how to recover deleted Facebook photos and videos. So first of all, go to your Facebook app and log in your Facebook account, and here you can see your Facebook account, and right top corner 3 button option, click on it and scroll down, and here you can see settings and privacy option, click on it, and here you can see settings option, click on it and scroll down, and here you can see download your information option, click on it, and first of all deselect all, click on it and choose photos and videos option, click on it and scroll down, choose high, click on, and here you can see create file option, click on it. Here you can see your deleted Facebook photos and videos recover. So wait few minutes and click on download option, click on it and put your phone number or email and password, login, click on it, and here you can see download option, click on it and open please. And here you can see photos and videos, click on it, and here you can see your deleted Facebook photos and videos, and you can easily recover your deleted Facebook photos and videos. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.